This is my new friend here. Say hello. Medyo ano na yung aking hair. Good vibe clips. Kaso ganyan na po yan lahat. Guys, hulaan nyo kung nasaan ako. Ako po ay, after 22 years, ako po ay magpapagupit. Pumayag na si hobby na ako ay magpapagupit. So, dito po ako magpapagupit. Yeah, gusto kong i-perm din eh. Hindi ko alam magkano, pero okay lang. So, hindi pa ako tinatawag. Naghihintay po ako. Naghihintay pa po ako. Naghihintay pa po ako. Meron na naman silang dalawa yata. Tatlo lang silang stylist. So, ganda yan. Gaganda ako, hindi. Okay guys, I'm into my shampooing my hair. For how many years? 22 years. First time is gonna cut my hair. But I'm happy. I will be so happy that I'm gonna have a very short hair back. So I have to remove my glasses.
So
And
I will
she's
cut
not.
it a little bit first, and then after that I perm it, and then after perm it we will cut it.
Okay,
So your hair all uneven right now.
I know. It's just that nobody takes care of it. So it's gonna be just, hot. And this one, I don't mind as long as this one has a lot of like hair. Nakat na siya. Maigsi na ang buhok ko. I'm telling my subscriber I'm gonna have my hair so short now.
So I give you just a body perm, okay?
Yeah, body perm, yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Maigsi na yung aking. Maigsi na po, ladies and gentlemen, ang aking buhok.
What language is speaking?
Filipino.
Oh, you're Filipino?
Yeah. Are you guys Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Oh. I have a lot of Vietnamese clients that are barber.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm an accountant. I do taxes.
Oh, you're a cousin.
I do
This
their.
is season over, huh?
No, I'm still busy. Actually,
You're the bookkeeper too.
yeah, we do payroll too.
Oh, you do payroll bookkeeper.
And not only that, I still do corporate taxes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, a lot of corporate taxing. I have, Lucky Supermarket. You're Vietnamese. Well, Mr. Lee is a Vietnamese. Lucky Supermarket is one of my clients.
The Lucky Market?
Yeah, Lucky Market.
Is that Cambodia?
Yeah, Cambodian. But Mr. Lee is Vietnamese.
He speaks.
Yeah.
He speaks Vietnamese too. You know?
Yeah, he is. And Collab is Cambodian. Yeah, I have a lot of. Yeah.
I think his wife is for Cambodia, but he
Yeah,
haven't
pure.
had-
Yeah.
He haven't had.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys. So here, I'm gonna go do perm. Magpapa-perm po ako. After all these years, medyo na yung aking hair. Hindi, wala na. Goodbye. Goodbye. What do you call that? Clips. Goodbye. Rubber band. Oh, no, not. I don't use rubber band. The thing that you can, kaso ganyan na puhuri yan lahat. Igaganyan ko. Masyado na maiksi yung buhok ko. So I'm doing a perm. And then that's it. This is my new friend here. Say hello.
What's your name?
Mariton.
Marito?
Mariton.
Oh, my name's Riley.
What's it?
Riley.
Oh, Riley.
Yeah.
Hello, Riley. But some of my clients, they call me Marie.
Marie?
Yeah, because it's so hard.
Easier.
Yeah, so hard for them to say Mariton.
I do a cashier. You know, it's Asia market.
Is Asia? Ay,
Yeah.
you're one of the cashiers there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I always go there.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Before.
Yeah, maybe I met you. Yeah,
I met a lot of Filipino there.
of course. Yeah, even
So maybe you.
it's easy. You know the reason why I go to East Asia. Lucky Supermarket is my client, right? I go there and buy too. But the only thing here is that in East Asia they have that, you know that
Filipino stuff, right?
no, the bamboo shoot.
Oh.
You guys
right.
grind it, right?
Yeah.
And then you have everything are all grind, so easy for me to. And also, do you guys have the kangkong and the kangkong? I forgot what's your name there.
Like
Kang.
cherry something?
No, it's the leaf.
Oh.
It's a vegetable.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why you have kangkong and whatever, some vegetables that some.
Fresh, right?
Yeah, even paldo, they don't have it. So it's easy to cook.
Yeah.
I love eating
I
kangkong.
love Filipino food too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, and I cook pork BBQ. Filipino
Huh?
style.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, you can even order now in DoorDash. You just punch Filipino and then that's gonna come out. The one in Island Pacific that's sells barbecue stick.
Yeah, it's really good.
It is. And the lumpia, of course. You guys have also your own spring rolls.
Yeah, a lot of spring rolls.
Spring rolls and fried roll. Yeah, ours is so different. But I'm gonna cook later a vegetable one.
We should go on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Where?
You're gonna meet me.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
I was there last Sunday. Yesterday. No. What's that? No, Friday.
Friday. Oh,
I was there.
Friday off.
Yeah, I was there Friday. And then I bought some what did I buy? Okay guys, nagpa-perm ako. Sabi nila Myla, magpakulay daw ako. Tingnan natin kung maganda ang kulay. Tingnan natin kung bagay sa akin ang kulay. Imagine ano, naglagay po ako ng skincare ko kanina pero baka nasunog na nga. Nasusunog kasi ang skin ko kapag hindi ako naglalagay ng skincare. Pupunta ako sa Korean store. Bibili ako ng parang skin nila. Okay, it's done. Look at that. My new image now. How you guys liking it? I'm gonna like it too. I have to. Okay guys, nandito tapos na yung aking nakapag eyebrow pa ako. So this time I will recommend itong lugar na to kung gusto niyo haircut. So nasa Classic Cut, so nasa 72nd Street lang po yung ang kanilang place. So please come to the Classic Cuts. Ayan po yung kailang business information. Ayan. Gandang hapon. How do you like my hair? Kararating ko lang galing sa sa parlor at pinaigsi ko na po yung buhok ko for after kailan ba kami magkakilala ng asawa ko? After 22 years, kasi magto-21 na kami, 22, bago niya ako nakilala. Ang buhok ko kasi talaga minsan, maigsing-maigsi. Marami akong maigsing hair or minsan hanggang dito yung buhok ko, na pinsan pinakukulot ko, na yung para bang pinakukulot ko kasi para magkaroon ng body. So, ginawa naman po may body naman ang buhok ko. So, how do you guys look? Do I look more older? Pero okay lang, I feel better kasi hindi ko na kailangan itaas yung buhok ko. Wala na po akong aasikasuhin. All I need to do is just brush my hair. Di ba? Sabi kasi sa akin kahapon, suklayin ko daw yung buhok ko. Oh my goodness, alam mo mga tao talaga mapakialamero, no? So anyway, thank you very much for teka, sandali. Okay guys, it's been a long time talaga. It's almost like 22 years. Sabihin na natin 23 years. Kasi gusto ng asawa ko, mostly a lot of Americans, they want their wife to have a very long hair. So, kasi nga, yun nga, femininity or something like, kasi pag sabi ko naman sa asawa ko nung isang araw, last week, pagkasabi niya na, okay, go and cut your hair. Alam mo, sabi ko, it's been a long time. Sabi ko, I'm getting old. And I always have to push my hair up because I feel so hot here. So sabi ko sa kanya, I think it's about time for me to change my hairstyle. When you get old, you feel like you're always hot. It's not like hot as in hot, but there's always like how do you call that? We can feel like it's always, we need to have always an air condition. We have to be in the air condition. We have to have a fan. So sabi ko sa kanya, okay. Sabi niya, okay. Na actually pinag-isipan niya. Then after that, sabi niya, okay, go. And you can have your hair cut now. So sabi ko, ngayon, sabi ko, ano kaya niya? Kasi gusto ko talaga yung maigsi dito. Tapos dito ang body. Kanina, habang nagginugupit ako sa akala ka, hindi ko nga maalag kasi pinorm pa to Pinorm pa tong buhok ko. Kasi nga manipis ang buhok ko. So ano gagawin natin? Makikipag ko dun sa mga bashers na sasabihin, magsuklay ka, mag-ayos ka. Natatawa lang ako natatawa ako sa mga kasi, pati buhok, inaano nila. Anyways, that's okay. May mental health issue na yung mga taong yan. So anyway, I'm so happy that na medyo madalin ko na lang asikasuhin yung buhok ko. So, I'm gonna be so decent enough to be cold. Ay, Tita Mariton, okay ang hayaan. Actually, habang ako ginugupitan at inaayusan, text sa mga staff ko, kay Carmela, kay Myla. Sabi niya, ay ate, sige, pa-highlight. Actually, may plano pa ako magpa-highlight later on. Siguro pa pala highlight ko. Kaya lang, sabi ko nga, gusto ko puti. Sabi niya, ha? Sabi niya, alam mo, nung tinignan nila yung hair ko, so black. Ngayon talagang, wala kang white. I know, but no, I have white. Sometimes my Luchi takes my white hair. Sabi niya, pull it out. Tapos sabi ko ganun. Tapos it makes my hair so really black. Sabi niya, yeah, I envy you. You have a black hair. Sabi niya ganun. Kasi lati daw yung mga nagpapa-highlight, nagpapa-color para hindi mahalatang may puti silang buhok. Ako daw, gustong-gusto ko. No, I really like to have a salt and pepper. Sabi ko, sige. Sabihan ko na nga si Luchi, ayoko na ng wag niyang gagalawin ang aking uban. Kasi mga lola ko, mga tita ko, nako sabihin ko sa inyo, lalo si Auntie Bing, white na white ang hair na niya, nakakatuwa. Parang gusto ko salt and pepper. Merong white, merong black. Okay? I hope guys na nagustuhan niyo ang bago kong sabi ko nga magpapa-plastic surgery ako. Plastic surgery ko buhok ko. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe.